Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we will continue doing the sketches for the inside part of the holder. So let's see, we'll go here and I will do edit sketch so we can continue what we started. So as you can see here, we have more planes that we need to create and also here. So I will start with this one. And I will not do a line anymore, I will do a rectangle. So in that way, I can create the other line without doing the offset. Perfect. And now another one. I'm pressing R on the keyboard from rectangle. Again, 1.5. Here, sorry, I pressed the L, R from the rectangle. Again, 1.5. I'm making them longer, so I will be sure that everything will intersect with my body. R, 1.5. Perfect. And now I will go here too. Not a line, a rectangle. 1.5. Another rectangle, and the last one, 1.5. Sorry, not this dimension, the other dimension, 1.5. Good. Now what I can do is I can move them to fit the canvases. And another thing that I can do is to create a sketch that will trace me this contour so I can trim the sketches. So what I can use for this, I will go to create, project include. So what I want to do is to intersect, okay, this plane, this one, and I will click OK. And now if I will hide the body, I should have the sketch, but I don't have it. So let's try again because maybe we forgot something. Okay, this plane, and I will click OK. Perfect. And now I can see that I have this part. So what I can do is trim those parts, like with the eraser. And I have those one in place. Now I will intersect the other part. So project include, intersect this face. And what I can do is to trim this part. So I will hide the body so you can see. And now I have the perfect size and I can extrude them. Good. I can use this one too. And I will continue intersecting, but I'll need to show the body, this edge, this plane. I'll click OK. I will intersect again this plane as well. I will click OK. And I will intersect the last one, which is this one. And I will click OK. And I will hide the body and I will trim because I don't need those. I deleted a wrong one, so I will Control Z on the keyboard I'll press Ctrl and Z at the same time. And I will delete those with patience, so I don't do mistakes anymore. Nice. This one. Okay. And now I'm done. And I'm ready to start extruding them in the next video. For now, I'll finish the sketch and I will save, finish the inside sketch. Well, see you in the next video.